Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by assembling assets and capturing footage. Choose a 360 camera or multi-camera rig depending on resolution needs. Once recorded, ingest files into a consistent folder structure and generate proxies for smooth playback. Make sure to capture HDRI sky plates and lens profiles for accurate lighting and stitching. These save hours later. While importing, tag clips with metadata so you can find takes quickly and avoid rework when you move into stitching and editing. Once footage is stitched and seams look correct, you move into scene setup. Import the equirectangular plates into your animation or compositor, set the project frame size, commonly 4096 by 2048, and choose the correct projection. Then place virtual cameras or convert to a 3D environment. Apply HDRI for consistent lighting and bake shadows when possible for performance. Make sure to keyframe motion in world space, not screen space, so your animated elements remain correctly positioned in the 360. You finish by rendering with a renderer that supports 360 outputs. Use tiled or bucket rendering for very large frames to avoid crashes. Once done, export the equirectangular master with the correct color space and bitrate and inject 360 metadata so players recognize it. If stitching seams, reprojection fixes often work. Reproject the nearest clean frame and blend. Also check alpha channels and gamma mismatches. If playback stutters, switch to proxies or lower bitrate to isolate whether encoding or rendering caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.